How to add a credit card to Cash App. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card to your Cash App account step by step. So make sure you stick around and follow everything closely. First, open the Cash App and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look at the top right corner. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on that. Now scroll down a bit and look for the option that says Linked Banks. This is where you can manage your connected payment methods. Tap on Linked Banks, and here you'll see an option to add a debit card. Now, here's the thing. You must add a debit card first before you can add a credit card. Cash App doesn't let you link a credit card directly without linking a debit card first. So go ahead, enter your debit card details and confirm it. Once your debit card is successfully added, Cash App will unlock the option for you to add a credit card. You can now tap the option to add a credit card and enter the details: your card number, expiry date, CVV, and zip code. Just make sure everything is accurate. Also, keep in mind this important part. When you use a credit card on Cash App, they charge you a 3% fee on transactions. So if you're planning to send or pay using a credit card, just remember there will be an extra charge. It's completely normal, but a lot of people don't realize it until it's too late. And that's it. You've now linked your credit card to Cash App successfully. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, be sure to check out my other videos for more Cash App tips and guides.